So, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Nageshwar Mahakal and Mahadev. So, right now I just came to visit Nageshwar Jyotirling, which is one of the destination of Jyotirling in Nageshwar, also which is located in Dwarika, Devbhumi, nearby Dwarika. This temple 60 km away. So, let's see the temple of Nageshwar temple, and it is also a very good temple. That is one of the 12 Jyotirling temple is here. So let's see and explore together with me this temple, Ajay Nageshwar temple. So bolo Nageshwar Mahakal ki jai. So let's see. And I am going to explore the temple. So let's explore together with me. Thank you so much. And again welcome to everyone on my channel, and let's see, this is the temple of Sri Nageshwar Jyotirling, which is one of the temple in Shiv Purana, and it is one of the 12 Jyotirling. It is located in Dwarika, Gujarat, 60 km away from the Dwarikadhish temple. And Nageshwar Jyotirling is in the Daruka Vana, which is an ancient name of forest in India as a Daruka Van. So Nageshwar Jyotirling tells about an demon named Daruk who attacked a Shiva devotee named Supriya and imprisoned him along with many others in his city of Daruka Van, a city under the sea inhabited by sea snakes and demons. So Supriya along with prisoners started to chant the Om Namah Shivaya, the holy mantra of Lord Shiva, and then Lord Shiva appeared and the demon was vanished, later residing in the form of Jyotirling. And the linga that Supriya had set up known as Nageshwar, which while goddess Parvati was known as Nageshwari. So this is the story of Nageshwar Jyotirling, which is one of the most popular Jyotirling in India and destination of the Jyotirling in India in out of 12. So I just came inside the temple, and let's see the inside temple architecture, looks, design, everything of the temple is so well maintained. So I am also feeling very happy here in this temple because I don't have any words to explain regarding this temple. So let's see and bolte raho Om Namah Shivaya. And there are so many persons who is coming to see and visit and take the place of Lord Shiva in this temple. So it is also a very unique temple, also one of them in Dwarika. So if anyone is coming in Dwarika, so lots of person who is also coming to visit this temple in Daruka 1, because it is in Daruka 1, and it was a forest time that time. So some persons, let's see and bolte raho Om Namah Shivaya. So let's see backside. I'm going to show all over the temple. So let's explore together with me inside the temple, and really it is a very amazing temple. So let's explore. Thank you so much. So let's see. I am in the queen going to see and take the place of Jyotirling Nageshwar. And in this temple we have to worship Shiva in the form of Nag also. So let's see. We can also buy some Nag and Nagin here from this temple. So it is a very unique temple, and let's see, I am in queen standing to going inside the temple. So let's see, this is a Nag and Nagina statue, idol, and lots of things are here. They are selling such as prasad, Rudraj garland, mala. This is a prasadam. Many more prasadam and everything. Some dresses also. So let's see and take the place of Sri Nageshwar Mahadev Jyotirling. So this is the Shivling of Nageshwar. Let's see and bolo Har Har Mahadev. Sri Nageshwar Jyotirling ki jai. So today I am also feeling very lucky person that I got a place of Shiva, and this is a Nandi in front of Nageshwar Jyotirling. So many more persons are coming and saying something in the ear of Nandi. So let's see the image view of this temple. I am shooting right now. So even this temple is also so good. I took a place of Lord Shiva and right now I am exploring this temple. So let's see along with me and bolte raho Har Har Mahadev. And even Krishna also used to come here to worship Lord Shiva in this temple from Dwarika. Nageshwar Jyotirling is only 16 km away from the Dwarika in Darukavanam. So let's see, this is the idol of Ambe Durga Ma. So bolo Shri Ambe Mat ki Jai, Jai Durga Ma. And this is a Trishul. So I am also feeling very energetic right now here because of the bliss of God and Goddess Adi Shakti and Lord Shiva. And I have to also visit Somnath Jyotirling, that is also in Gujarat in Gir Somnath district. After Propandar I have to go. So today I will take my train from Okhla because Nageshwar. From Nageshwar I will go Okhla, and from Okhla I will go to see the Bet Dwarika which submerged in ocean, and Bet Dwarika which is 24 km away from the Nageshwar, and Nageshwar is 16 km away from the Dwarika. So Bet Dwarika total distance from Dwarika is 34 km. So let's bolo Har Har Mahadev. And this is the idol of Shiva family including Ganesh, Kartikeya, Lord Shiva and Parvati goddess. And this is the one of the tallest statue of Lord Shiva also here established. So let's see and bolo Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shiv Shankar Bholenath. So it is a very tall in sitting position. Har Har Mahadev. So bolo Nageshwar Jyotirling Mahadev ki Jai. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We will meet again in next video.